Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make muffins using an air fryer. First, gather all your ingredients and preheat your air fryer to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, prepare your muffin tin or silicone cups with liners. This makes removal much easier. Then, mix your dry ingredients in one bowl and your wet ingredients in another. This initial separation helps ensure a well-combined batter later on, setting you up for perfect muffins. Now, gently combine your wet and dry ingredients. Stir them together until they are just moistened. Overmixing can lead to tough muffins, so be careful. Once your batter is ready, fill each muffin cup about 2/3 full. This allows enough space for them to rise beautifully without overflowing. Feel free to fold in any delicious mix-ins, such as chocolate chips or fresh berries, right before filling the cups. Next, carefully place your filled muffin cups into the preheated air fryer basket. Make sure not to overcrowd them, as good air circulation is key for even baking. Cook the muffins for approximately 12 to 15 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of a muffin. If it comes out clean, they are ready. Remember, cooking times can vary slightly depending on your specific air fryer model. Once your muffins are perfectly baked, allow them to cool in the air fryer basket for a few minutes. This helps them set and makes them easier to handle. After this initial cooling, carefully transfer the muffins to a wire rack to cool completely. This prevents them from becoming soggy. When they are fully cooled, you can enjoy your delicious homemade air fryer muffins. Store any leftovers in an airtight container to keep them fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.